Are you a beginner and you're looking for the best free AI tools to make life easier for you? Now, I'll be sharing with you three amazing AI tools that can help you as a beginner to both make money online and to acquire more skills. And number one on our list here is ChatGPT. And I will be showing you guys on how ChatGPT can help you generate prompts in which you can use in some AI tools to generate constant images. So imagine giving ChatGPT to write a social media post about free AI tools for beginners, and in seconds it generates a full script for you ready to use. As you can see, that is how ChatGPT can help you go far when it comes to content creating. And we also have the pro plans, but I am actually using the free plan, which actually has limits. You can also upgrade, but making use of the free plans is okay for a beginner. So you can see now, once you're done generating those things, it can help you give you ideas on how to grow your channel's writing. And the next AI tool I'll be talking about in this video is Canva AI. But first of all, let's wrap up with ChatGPT, and I'll be diving into Canva. So you can see now what's AI tools, popular AI tools for beginners and all that. This is what ChatGPT can help you do in your comfort zone. So now you can see that we have the Canva AI, and I'll be showing you things the Canva can do for you, just like thumbnails, creating logos, creating videos, photo editing, and all the rest of them. So I'll be guiding you on a tutorial on how Canva works, and in my next video I'll be showing you guys on how I came to create this particular thumbnail, which is a YouTube thumbnail for my first video in which I uploaded on my YouTube channel, on how you can be able to make use of ChatGPT to earn money online. So I'll be showing you other features the Canva has right here. But this video will be great. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and on the channel to get notified whenever I post interesting videos like this. And stay here up on my channel, for I'll be dropping other ways to make money online using some of these free AI tools I'll be dropping right here. So now, creating a new interface, as you can see on my screen here, we have all these particular AI tools which you're seeing here, all these prompts. And first of all, we'll be going and making use of the YouTube thumbnail. For those of us who have YouTube channel and want to know how to create a good YouTube thumbnail, so you can use some of these templates right here, which you are seeing on my screen here. You also edit it and then put in the prompts or the titles in which you want to use to grow your channel. So imagine emptying this page now and typing something like I feel like maybe I want to create a thumbnail for my YouTube channel or for a particular video I am making. And all I have to do is just to make good use of this template, or I can just create a template of my own. So another easy way to create a template, by here I can see now I'm using this particular YouTube thumbnail right here format, and I'll be clicking on the create free AI tools for YouTube channel. And once I'm done with that here, I can start to increase the amount or the title, or can just increase the text. I just click on this button right here, and free AI to a YouTube channel this use. I also change the text right here, and that is how I can be able to do that. So now, if you're coming here for the first time, or you're seeing my channel for the first time, don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting content like this. So next one we're explaining here is the Canva AI. All you have to do in this Canva AI is just tell it what to do, and it will design it for you. You can see on the right up here, what will you design today? So all you have to do is just press your prompt there, and the Canva AI automatically generates it for you immediately, and you don't have to spend a dime doing that. So the next on our list right here is CapCut. And CapCut is one of the major tools which is used for editing. And right here now, it can also help you to edit whatever idea you've gotten from ChatGPT. You can also generate it by using Canva AI to get the text. And the next thing here, you can also make use of CapCut to edit it and upload on your YouTube channel. That is why these are the three amazing tools that can help you make money online or start up a YouTube channel as a beginner right here. So you can see now I edited this using my CapCut, and I'll be showing you guys a step-to-step tutorial to enable you to do this kind of creation in the next video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, just like I said, and like this video, subscribe, and follow for more tips. So right here you can see now we have the auto caption and the background remover and the photo tools and other options in which you're seeing here, which I'll be explaining right here in this video. Now imagine me now trying to remove a background now, which I'll be selecting a text from my gallery right here for me to be able to remove its background to show you guys on how it works. For instance, now let's say we want to remove the background, white background And once you click the image right here and press it right here, the background will be removed immediately. So let's check it ourselves. Right now, I'll be importing a background image which you're seeing here. And once I do that, now I'll be adding to two images, the before and the after. Now, one is one we just remove the background, and the other picture is one that the background has not been removed. So let's check out. Let's add the second one and see if the background was totally removed. And this is what CapCut can help you do. You can also give CapCut some prompts and it will generate a realistic video for you. I'll be showing that in the next video. So you can see the two different images here, all with the help of this editing software called the CapCut. So if you have watched this level and you feel like it feels interesting, also share to your friends so they can join you and grab the knowledge you're grabbing here. So you can see the template here, which you can use in making some of your viral video for you to go viral, also monetize your channel and earn from this platform. So as you can see now, that is how you can be able to make use of CapCut and also make use of the AI lab, which you're seeing down below on the screen. And once you click on it, there are varieties of options down there. So as you can see now, here is the other tools, the retouch tools, and the other desktop AI and all that, which you can also use for you to grow your channel. And here now is the video I created using ChatGPT ideas and also the help of CapCut. Don't forget to like and share this video and see you guys in my next video. Peace out.